Looking for the perfect mini fridge to keep your drinks chilled and snacks fresh? In this video, we've rounded up the best mini fridges to suit every need, whether it's for your dorm, office, or bedroom. We upload quality reviews daily to help you find the right products with ease. Stay tuned, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Number 1. Frigidaire EFR 840. If you're looking for an inexpensive retro mini fridge, the Frigidaire EFR 840 offers good value and decent performance. In our temperature tests, we found this retro Frigidaire mini fridge had consistent fridge temperatures, though there was some wobbling over time. The freezer had a bit more variance, but even still, it never jumped over 2 degrees Fahrenheit in either direction. Overall, we'd say it was a B+ performance, which is pretty good given this model's low price point and unique look. In addition to a typical interior, some of the door bins have been replaced by can holsters that can hold up to 6 cans. While not as space efficient as traditional bins, it does provide easier access to your favorite drinks. One thing to keep in mind if you're considering the EFR 840, especially if you're a fan of the retro aesthetic, is that it has a relatively low build quality. Number 2. Galanz GL-ARC 1. The Galanz GL-R 31 TB ear features a 1950s classic car aesthetic and comes in a variety of different colors. This retro mini fridge offers the most storage area out of all the models we tested, measuring a whopping 3 cubic feet, about 0.5 cubic feet larger than the rest of the pack. That's more than 2 bowling balls worth of space. In terms of fridge performance, this model shines. During testing, it hit the ideal 37 degrees Fahrenheit and didn't waver. Unfortunately, its freezer temperature was a problem. For starters, the freezer runs warm, averaging 5 degrees Fahrenheit instead of degrees Fahrenheit. It was also the least consistent freezer of the group. Temperatures ranged between 2 degrees Fahrenheit and 8 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a huge swing, considering freezers normally waver by fractions of a degree. That variation may cause issues with freezer burn. The Galanz GL-R 31 TB ear also has the auto-close door issue, but worse, if you don't shut the door hard enough, it'll actually bounce open again. Number 3. Magic Chef GSE. The Magic Chef HMDR 31 GSE falls at the perfect intersection of excellent performance, nice aesthetics, spacious storage, and price. Other mini fridges sometimes have trouble maintaining even temperatures, but this Magic Chef manages to keep temperatures almost exactly where they need to be in both the fridge and freezer. We only saw fluctuations of less than 1 degree Celsius in the fridge and even less than that in the freezer. This performance is on par with some of the best full-size refrigerators we've tested, which typically outperform their smaller counterparts by orders of magnitude. While this mini fridge isn't the largest we've tested, its combined 2.3 cubic feet of storage is about 6% smaller than the average mini fridge. We like its array of door bins, several of which can be repositioned. The adjustable glass shelves look nice and are easy to clean. Number 4. Winter BR 1211 DS. If you just want to have a fridge for drinks in your dorm or den, the Winter BR 1211 DS is one of the most ideal choices out there. This mini fridge doesn't mess around with a freezer that you won't use, and it eschews door bins to maximize the number of cans you can fit inside. You can fit a whopping 121 standard-sized cans inside this mini fridge. We love the fridge's glass front door, which allows you to see what's in stock at a glance, and its solid metal handle adds a touch of class. We also like having access to precise digital temperature controls. While all mini fridges have adjustable thermostats, they often are just labeled with 110 as opposed to using discrete temperature values. This cuts out a ton of the guesswork and lets you get your drinks at the exact temperature you want. This fridge also excels in terms of its temperature performance. Though not perfect, in our testing, it still managed to keep temperature fluctuations to a minimum, and the temperature remained fairly accurate to what we input. Number 5. Midea Agthres S1. If you're looking for a dorm fridge, you should consider the Midea WHD 1 through D FSS1, but also know that you'll have to make some temperature adjustments after getting it to campus. Mostly due to its temperature control, this mini fridge performed slightly below average during testing. In our testing, the fridge's default settings ran warm, hitting an average temperature less than 1 degrees Fahrenheit below the safe zone of 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Its freezer performance wasn't much better, hovering around 5 degrees Fahrenheit instead of 0 degrees Fahrenheit. While this isn't ideal, the one saving grace is that its freezer temps are stable. Turn the temp down slightly and the freezer should be just fine.